Today I went to Aldi to do my food shop and obviously spent way too much money, as usual, in the middle aisle. So this is Aldi's haul video. I also just couldn't help myself because there was some really good home bits, really good garden bits. I think they're all really good prices, loads of good planters, and I'm sure there's something in there that someone's gonna want, and that is the problem with Aldi's middle aisle. This is the Liqueura Tape Cover Concealer, and it is a dupe of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. $3.99. So literally the price of kind of collection concealers in Superdrug. The Tarte Shape Tape, the kind of original, the high-end, I guess, version of it, is £24. So a saving of £20, and I'm telling you, the packaging is exactly the same. Even the applicator is the same, and it's this really big, fluffy applicator. It's the same as the other one. Even if it's not exactly the same, it looks great, and I'm going to try that one out. So for £4, you can't go wrong. I don't know how Aldi get away with these, but I'm glad they do. The Liqueura Cleansing Balm with cleansing cloth, and it's a big one, so I think it's 90 grams, it says. But the packaging, oh my God, it's the same packaging as the Elemis Cleansing Balm. This one is £45. This one was $6.99. I know which one I'm going to go for. So this is like oil, it kind of turns to oil. Holy mother of God, that smells amazing. Oh, the Elemis one, but that is a lot stronger. Very similar. Either way, I'd say that is an incredible dupe for literally almost £40 difference in price. So I'm happy with that. Fabaloo, which if that isn't a dupe, I don't know what it is, because it looks exactly the same as the Poopery one. This was only £1. There's loads of different scents. If you're one of them people that likes these things, or if you're already a fan of the Poopery, you know, why not get a few of these? Bento lunch boxes, which I guess is kind of Asian style. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and they come with a 3-piece cutlery. Cutlery, which I just think is really cool, really cute, love that. And then there's 2 compartments. Yeah, 1, 2, and that's another compartment. This was $4.99, I believe, and I think I did look at these on Amazon, that they're between kind of £8 and £12. So again, a really good saving. There's different colours as well, so if you've got multiple children or just you and your partner. Good, cute lunch boxes. I'm not going to say no to a cute lunch box. We're all on the eco-friendly vibe. We all want to make sure that we're not chucking away loads of plastic. So these were really great, reusable bags, and they're silicone. You can put them in the freezer, dishwasher, microwave. They're quite big, and they literally, you can put anything in there. You can put liquids or food, whatever. Now these can be quite expensive, so this is why I picked it up, because this was only $3.99. Now I think that is quite expensive in terms of you only get one, but it's reusable. Keep it forever. Save the environment, one reusable bag at a time. Travel cutlery set. I don't know who really travels with cutlery. And this is only one, so you only get one of each, but I thought it was really cool how you get a little bag to kind of put the cutlery in. You get a spoon, knife, I forgot that was called then, wow. Fork. You get 2 of these gold straws and a straw cleaner. If I was doing lunch or anything, and you want to take these with you to work or on the train or whatever, and just feel like a bougie person, why not? £6, which I think is still really cheap for a cutlery set. I think that's all right, because I'm pretty sure I've seen something very similar in H&M Home, and they were £12 for just the one set. So I think that's really good, really cute. Why not? I am not into gardening. I'm awful at gardening, but I love to cook, and I want to start having more kind of homegrown herbs in my house. So this is the Green Garden chili peppers. So they're cayenne chili peppers, they grow your own. £5 or $4.99, and I think you get instructions as well of how to keep it going, because that's definitely what I needed, some extra help. And I thought that, you know, $4.99 for beginners like me, that's really cool, and I definitely want to grow my own chilies, a little bit of spice, so good start. It's a see-through toaster. I don't need it, but I got it because I found it and I thought it was really cool, and I saw it online, and I'm heavily influenced by what I see online. Variable browning, it says. Defrost function, easy to clean, and you get a 3-year warranty, and this was £20. It's a gimmicky thing, but it's cool, and I think £20's not too bad. But if you're like me and I'm funny with the way my toast is, and you can put potato waffles in, you can just keep an eye on it. I like the idea. Aldi's always giving us good ideas on a budget, so I love bargains, I love hidden treasures. I think Aldi middle aisle is great for it. You find some weird and wonderful stuff for really good prices. So if anyone else loves Aldi like we do, or if you find some really good hidden treasures, please let us know. We'd love to know what you find in Aldi. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and we'll see you for the next one.